Far too many people these days struggle with cold hands in the winter without even realizing how much it impacts their daily comfort and productivity. Whether it's standing at a bus stop, heading out for a morning jog, sitting at a football game, or even just working in a cold office, freezing hands can make the simplest tasks difficult. Upgrading from old fashioned disposable packs to modern rechargeable hand warmers will completely transform your experience in ways you didn't think were possible. That's because the best rechargeable hand warmers don't just provide heat, they deliver smart technology, safer heating systems, longer runtime, and portability that fits right into your pocket. We've researched and gathered the top 5 best hand warmers available on Amazon right now so you can stay warm whether you're indoors, outdoors, or enjoying your favorite activities. But first of all, make sure to check the links in the description because they'll take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's get started. First up, we have the 2-pack hand warmers rechargeable, portable electric hand warmers reusable. These are a fantastic starting option for anyone who wants reliable heat without breaking the bank. Designed to be rechargeable through USB, they are eco-friendly and reusable, eliminating the need for disposable packs that only last once. With a 2-in-1 pack design, you can keep one warmer in each pocket, share with a friend, or even use both at once for maximum heat. They're small, lightweight, and easy to carry, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're gifting them to kids, keeping them in your gloves during a ski trip, or simply using them while reading a book at home, these hand warmers offer convenience and reliability. They're also great as thoughtful gifts for men, women, and children, showing that practical warmth can also be a cozy present. Next on the list, we have the AI Hand Warmers Rechargeable 2-pack. This set takes things a step further with built-in AI smart chip technology that keeps heating stable, safe, and efficient. With up to 20 hours of continuous runtime, these warmers provide long-lasting comfort for outdoor enthusiasts who spend all day in the cold. Whether you're hunting in the woods, playing golf early in the morning, camping with friends, or simply commuting through freezing weather, these AI-powered hand warmers ensure you never run out of heat when you need it most. What makes them unique is their intelligent safety design that avoids overheating while still maintaining the perfect temperature for your hands. Compact, yet powerful, they easily slip into your pocket or gloves without adding bulk. For anyone looking for a smarter, more advanced hand warmer with impressive battery life, these are a top choice. Moving on, the Okupa magnetic hand warmers. Rechargeable 2-pack bring a truly innovative twist to the table. With a clever magnetic design, these warmers can snap together to form a single larger unit or separate into 2 smaller ones, giving you complete flexibility. This means you can warm both hands at the same time or share one with someone else. Certified safe with UL Smart Heating, they feature 3 adjustable temperature settings, so you can switch between gentle warmth or higher heat depending on the weather. Their slim, pocket-sized design makes them incredibly portable, whether you're walking your dog, tailgating at a game, or braving icy winds during your morning commute. On top of that, they are a fantastic choice as Christmas gifts or stocking stuffers, combining both functionality and style. If you're looking for a reliable warmer that blends technology with practicality, Osiupa's magnetic design is hard to beat. Next up, we have another sleek option from the same trusted brand, the OCOOPA Magnetic Rechargeable Hand Warmers 2-pack Ultra Thin Edition. These are designed for anyone who values a slim, lightweight build without sacrificing performance. The ultra thin design makes them easy to slip into purses, coat pockets, or even gloves, so they don't feel bulky while in use. Despite their compact size, they provide steady and powerful warmth throughout the day. They're also stylish enough to carry around in social settings, making them a must-have accessory for both men and women. Great for commuting, school, or office use, these warmers are versatile enough for both casual and outdoor activities. Whether you're gifting them to a loved one or keeping them for personal use, their combination of portability, comfort, and reliability makes them a fantastic pick. Finally, let's talk about the OCOOPA2 in 1 magnetic rechargeable hand warmers, UT2S Mini Edition. These are some of the most versatile and advanced models on the market. Featuring a 2-in-1 magnetic split design, they can be used separately or together, giving you multiple options in one device. They're powered by modern USB-C charging, which means faster recharging times and compatibility with your existing cables. Compact and reusable, they are especially helpful for those who suffer from Raynaud's or anyone who frequently deals with extremely cold environments. They're also excellent for golfers, skiers, or anyone who spends hours outside in the winter. With their sleek design and dependable performance, these warmers aren't just practical, they also make great tech gifts for both men and women during the holidays. So there you have it, the top 5 best rechargeable hand warmers available on Amazon right now. From the simple and practical two-pack design to the AI-powered models with smart chips, the flexible and magnetic O Kupa hand warmers, the slim ultra-thin edition, and the versatile 2-in-1 mini, there's a perfect option here for every lifestyle and budget. No matter if you're preparing for camping trips, hunting adventures, or just staying warm on your daily commute, these rechargeable hand warmers deliver the heat, comfort, and convenience you need. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and deals on each of these products. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more reviews and buying guides that make your life warmer, easier, and more connected.